Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jonathan. As you guys know, I've been going into makeup lately and I'm really excited to show you guys my process through all the looks that I've been doing. And today we're actually going to be jumping into these new eyelashes from Kiss. It is actually my first time doing eyelashes, and I'm really curious to see how it's going to go just because I've never really have done them before, so it's going to be really interesting to see what's going to happen. I also did get a strip lash adhesive glue, which is what's going to be going onto the eyelashes, onto my eyes, and yeah, so I will leave you guys to it. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Here I am going to apply my primer from Milk. Really cool primer. It's a nice base that I got from a sample. You see, I'll be rubbing it on my face, putting it in the forehead area, around the cheeks, just all the way around, making sure, even in the eyelids, making sure that everything is going to be touched. And now we're doing the eyebrows. The eyebrows did take me quite some time to do, as you can see there, it was quite of a long video. However, I was able to master each eyebrow. You know, once I start cleaning them up with the concealer, as you'll see after this clip, you'll be able to see a more defined eyebrow. Right now you'll be able to see the Revlon concealer, or I'm sorry, I believe it's a Maybelline one. And I apply it all the way around the whole eyebrow just to define the shape and making sure that I'm getting the shape I want. I do go back and fill in a little bit just to make sure I get the nice shape I want for the whole eyebrow. But it actually really does work, just because you can always blend it in later with the foundation you're going to be applying. And the residue that I have from putting the concealer on the eyebrows, I apply it also to my eyelids, so I can use that to have a more popping look for my eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm going back to retouch them just to give it that full final shape. And now we're moving to the eyes. I'm using James Charles palette, which is one of my favorites, and actually the only one I have. The magazine that I did show was an example that I used for coming up with an eyebrow look. I tried to demonstrate the colors that I used on this palette. What I did first, I would use a coat. I would just like lay on some coats of the color, and then I would buff it out with another brush. Here I'm applying tape so that I don't go past the eyeshadow area. As you can see, it's just a way to make sure that I'm staying within the area and not going past the eyelid area, as long as it helps with when I get to the eyeliner. It really does help. And then trying to get some under the eye. So yeah, I dab on a couple coats of the color, then I'll blend it out with a different brush so that I can give it a nice blend. As you see, I'm getting the inner corners of the eye. I try to use that mascara. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the eyelash lifter or something. It really didn't work for me. I don't know if it's the brand, or I don't know if I'm just not sure I'm using it yet. But I felt like it didn't do much. But it was pretty cool to use. Here I am doing the other eye, coating it first with a layer, and then topping it off with a blend of with using another brush in order to get more of a blended look, which I find easier for me. It's like kind of a new strategy that I started using, just because I would pack too much color onto the eyes, and I would blow the eye out, which I definitely have overcome that. Here I am blending it out. And then now I'm adding some shimmer onto like the center of the eyes. Sometimes you can always apply it to the inner corner of the eyes to help you out. Moving on to the eyeliner. As I believe, yeah, I messed up a little bit. That's why I did that face. Because since I'm trying a new liquid gel eyeliner, it's from Revlon, by the way. It comes off with a really wet coat, so I couldn't really remove that. As you all know, eyeliners can be hard to remove sometimes, or it can also destroy some work, but yeah, I made it work. And moving on to the other eye, and take it off. So yeah, it looked good on the one eye, but the other one, it like bleeded a little bit, so I'm wiping it off with some Neutrogena makeup remover. We use it with some nice cotton pads. It should work out just fine for you. And trying to get under the under eye. Oh. And I'm dabbing more shimmer just to cover over the eyeliner eye that I did. Sometimes I do the eyeliner too thick that I might lose like some color there, so I'll go back and reapply. There we go. Alright. Now moving on to the mascara. It's a mascara from Milk that I used. And here is my second attempt at trying to use the lash curler. And yeah, I'm not sure how much it did. Yeah, using the Milk mascara, which I found really nice. It's really small, it's like a mini. I got it for like a birthday set, so. It's actually the one that came with the primer. This is another mascara that I also got. I forgot, I think the name of it is Essence. It honestly was like a really cheap mascara. It was okay, don't really recommend it that much. Here's a quick glimpse of the look, final look. And I'm applying the eyelashes. I tried to use a little tool they gave us to use for the eyelashes, and I didn't really find it useful. I don't know, I kept shaking so much that I wasn't able to put it on, so I just like, or sometimes it's nice to like finish off the edges, which like the inner or outer corner where you'll see the eyelash falling off. But I ended up somehow making it work. And just so you guys know, I believe I did put on the the eyelashes on backwards, which, you know, it's totally fine. I guess for the first time, it's a learning lesson. But yeah, so now I'm applying the foundation. It's a Fit Me by Maybelline. It's the Dewy foundation. I'm applying it all over. There we go. And then now putting concealer over it. I wasn't sure if I normally did concealer first and then foundation, or foundation then concealer. However, I think still managing for them to both blend, they'll make up a good color. And setting powder, I use it from NYX. Don't use it that much, but I was able to figure out how that worked. Try to put it all over the face. I love this bronzer. It smells like coconut. It's amazing. I think I did pretty good. The blush I used from Milk. It also came in my birthday set. And this is the Milani highlighter I used to top that off. on the nose, on the cheekbone, and then for the lips moving on, I glossed it up with the Ode to Beauty lip gloss, cleaning up a little bit, and then setting it off with the Morphe setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, I was able to make it to apply the eyelashes, which was really not that bad. It was really pretty simple. I was able to put the glue on the edge of the eyelashes. I do believe they're on like the right way. I'm not sure if they're all on the plastic a certain way to put on your eyes, or like the length of them. Oh yeah, it looks a lot smaller in the inside towards the outside. And I might have put them on backwards, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. You know, I'm just starting. It's fine. However, I think it came out pretty well. This was definitely the first like fully complete look that I have done, and I won't know how it looks until I actually see it like on the footage that I will be doing once I'm done editing this out, or once I actually see the clips, I'll be able to see like what this actually looks like, because right now it's like really bright. But I'm really excited. I went with an inspiration from this magazine from Bulgari. This is right here. It might not look anything close to it, but you can compare like within like the eyes. It's like a pretty dark hue in there. I try to do a little bit of a smoky eye thing from down here, and then I just went off and with like a red shiny lipstick. I don't have that many lipsticks right now, but what I do have, I went on and went with that, and I hope it looks really cool on camera. But yeah, here's the look. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys had an awesome time going through this with me, as I'm still learning, and I'm really excited for what's to come, and I can't wait to work on some of my friends and show them what I came up with today. But in the meantime, I would like you guys, if you could please like and subscribe this video, which, you know, I feel like hopefully I've made an impression with whoever sees this, and I hope to hear your guys' feedback and what you guys think, and I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.